What's up, guys? We at Lady Bird Lake, and we about to go fishing. I got a 40-pound braid on this combo, if you can see right there, and I have a Texas rig on it, and I put one of these hooks. I lost my water gap hook, but this gonna do the trick. I just want bass, not gonna lie. But we're finna get to this. I'm finna make a couple casts out here. If this doesn't work, bruh, I'm just gonna keep casting.
Ooh, is that a boat?
Just let me. Where? That is a boat, but I don't know if that's no bass boat. Hold on, just trying to make it weedless.
Come on.
You gonna get your stuff stuck. Cast right here.
Huh?
Cast right here.
That's right here?
No, cast it out there. No. Let me cast it for you. Hold on, I'm finna cast it for him. Let me see. Hold this. Hold this.
I'm just scared.
Bro, you need a weight on here, but hold this.
I know. People be
Finna-
fishing, but it be like when they're holding the rod. Look, that's how they be holding the rod. Oh, I forgot the thing with.
Dang. Backflash. I think he did the rat dance, bruh. Did I even tune this boy right? Yo, it just ate. Yo, something right. Yo, go get you some more. Bring like 2 shrimp, bro. Oh my god.
Come on.
An idiot. No. Bring like the shrimp. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, I'm about to cast it out there. So y'all can see. Sorry if the phone is falling, but first cast of the day. No luck. Probably gotta cast it out there even further. I didn't bring my other setup because I want to put braid on it. I might switch to my top water, not gonna lie. Hey. Dang, I tangled horn. Twist out. Get this weight back down. I put knots on mine so it won't slip that much because the knots stop it from like going all the way up. That was a trash cast, but I'm just gonna cast it out there. I'm not gonna waste no time. Bro, it's not going out. It is. You did. Yo, how did my stream hook up to that tree? I'm hold this one.
This is my cousin, y'all. He's a very cool guy. No. He's a very cool guy. Super cool.
We good. You want to cast it out there, please? Yeah. Okay. Hold it. Don't let that get caught.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Oh shoot, I'm doing yo-yo.
Bro, hey, yo-yo.
My fault. I didn't know. Oh. I'm gonna have to pitch y'all like that. I'm gonna have to pitch y'all like that for a minute. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn down this brake. This brake needs to be like 7. So it's back to 2.
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh my.
Bro!
Oh my, bruh.
That's a rat nest.
Come on. Just put the rod down over there somewhere. Put it over. God. Okay, we back. I'm gonna have to cast it out that way. Bruh. I didn't set this thing up. It's a little too fast. Huh? There's minnows? Just tuning it. I'm back. And the bait just fell off. Oh, I'll be right back. Yeah, stay right here. Hey. Okay, I'm back. Put a cast this in here. Why don't you keep going? Bro, this is... I have it set up correct now. It just... Bro, I don't know how my casting is. I know it has to have lures, but I picked this extra weight on here. I wish I had my buzz bait out. But it's coming on November the 15th, 13th. So.
too little.
This place is like I'm too scared like to get stuck.
Yeah, like Texas, very good. Bro,
Oh my god.
these trees. You can hit my balls real good. You can hit my balls real good. Pull harder. Pull harder. I thought you were a big.
God dang this video. Bro, go give me some scissors, bro.
Snapped itself.
I'll put you in some new stuff on it. Fish with that real quick. Fish with
There's no camera. Bro, I found the spot on the camera. I'm just how this happened. This the thing. No, what happened?
Would you do that? What you doing?
Huh?
Would you do that?
No.
Would you get on that little boat they on out there?
No.
You wouldn't?
No.
What you scared of?
See.
You scared you gonna sink? Huh?
Yeah.
True. Make sure y'all looking out for snakes, okay? What you doing?
Caught.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Love you too. All right. Bye.
Dang. Oh, that's
Where your phone at, my G?
right there.
It's aiming right at
There's
you.
nothing right there.
I'm not Prince, you're not catching no fish. Two
Yeah,
people
back
cannot fish here.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Yeah, you
Somebody
gotta
gotta stand over this way. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's easy to get tangled.
No, it ain't.
Although if someone,
If somebody stand right here and throw their line that way, and then the person over here throw their line that way, you won't get tied up.
you should stand right there.
Yeah, you gotta stand
It's
right here.
tangled.
Huh?
Because it would just get stuck in the leaves when you do it.
No. You're not throwing your pole, you're throwing it out. So how
Not throwing the pole, throwing the line out.
Is there still minnows out there?
So okay, let's say, hold on. Let's say you right here. And you throwing your thing out.
Yeah,
Okay,
he's
see
throwing
my
it that
king
way.
went that way?
Okay, go.
Okay, now look. Let's say you stand right here. You throw your line out that way.
That way, it's gonna get tangled. Because
No, it's not.
like-
How it's gonna
you
get?
threw the rod that way.
If you throw it out, your line gonna go out in the water that way, right? But let me move. If I get slapped with some shrimp.
No, look. Look. You're right here.
Well, we can do
Throw
cast
your
that one at
line
a time.
over
You
there.
gotta cast that one at a time so you can see your line. So when you cast your rod, then
You throw your line out right here. When you reel it in, it's gonna get tangled. So what's the point?
this area,
Huh?
this area is too surrounded.
It's crazy.
Come on, you got
I'm pretty low key. Why you doing something crazy?
bro. No. Oh, there it go. Oh, this one. We got it stuck in the tree, but I got it out. Bro, this one. You see, bro? You see what I'm talking about.
It's not the rod, bro. It's the trees. Get a lawnmower, a chainsaw,
Bro.
cut down the tree.
But that's gonna be illegal. They're gonna say, sir, you gotta leave.
Well, I'm not leaving until I catch a fish.
You caught a blue. You caught a fish, you know.
I'm trying for the crash. Ah! I'm gonna twerk out.
This ain't gonna come off. This come off, bro. You coming.
Did you do it two? Did you hook it two?
Scent in it. Put some scent
Did you hook it 2 times? Because if you don't hook it 2 times, it's gonna come off easy.
in it. I hooked it 3 times.
Okay, that's good.
Hold on, put some scent in it.
Castle. Oh yeah, castle thing. Yeah, we caught dirt.
Watch out.
Bro, I'm finna set. Hey, oh, it's here. Oh, you good, Mom? I'm good.
See if I can get out fast. You gotta do it different when you low shit.
I'm finna go somewhere.